Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Joe, and
And me, Shruts.
Miss Bhola, who's
Miss
not
Bhola.
very
Miss
Bhola.
Siddhar.
Who's all actually you're looking Bhola with your new hairdo.
है ना? Banks always bring
Is
that
this?
side out.
I think this is how they do
Yeah,
it.
what is that?
This is
What's that?
the when you're like crushing on someone, you go. "Mm." It's I don't know. It's a thing online. I just discovered it. So it's like when someone's cute, it's like this,
Ah, nice.
or it's a TikTok thing. I don't know where it came from, but whatever. Your hairdo is very cute. Okay, chalo, let's move on to
Yay!
the
Excited.
reaction.
Yes.
Is
Let's do
okay,
it.
our dollar sign from the never ending list of requests for his songs. I have picked one for
अच्छा.
today. It's called
हाँ.
Farak Nahi Padta.
हमें पड़ता
Um,
है. What is this फर्क नहीं पड़ता? ये
this is
क्या?
a
हमें बिल्कुल
this,
फर्क पड़ता है.
this is a 2-year-old song, April 2019. Mixed and mastered by Tom NZ, produced by Jay Casperson, written and performed by Krishna. Okay. We're hearing these names for the first time, but fine.
Yes.
Maybe it's a different sound than we're used to.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Chalo.
Yes. Ready. Let's do.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play. Hmm.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. I don't really care what they think about me, क्योंकि ये तो मेरे fan if they think about me. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये ना मेरे दोस्त, फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता जो भी मैं चाहता करता चुपचाप रहता लड़का लेकिन कभी ना समझ तू मुझे हल्का पूरे लाइफ करा ग्राइंड, put it all on the line. मेरे पास ना है टाइम, आज मैं यहाँ तू कागल, I cannot find you. ये जीवन है बोझ मेरे कंधों पे, सिर्फ ईगो है भरी इन बंदों में. एक बार तू चल मेरे कदमों में, तभी तो सोच अपनी बदलोगे. राय सबकी है, राय सबकी है, लाइफ अपनी एडवाइस सबकी है. पहले ना देती थी भाव, अब इंस्टाग्राम पे वो लाइक करती है. कॉलिंग मी बोलने को सॉरी, पर हम में रही ना दोस्ती. कॉलिंग मी बोलने को सॉरी, बट यू डोंट इवन नो मी. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. I don't really care what they think about me, क्योंकि ये तो मेरे fan if they think about me. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये ना मेरे दोस्त, फर्क नहीं पड़ता होना है दोस्त. जिनकी आंखों में ना थी मेरी कीमत आज कॉल कर दे वो ना फीचर में बनूंगा ना कुछ बोला टीचर ने. आज उसके बेटे मेरी फोटो खींचते, शायद आज मेरी कमाई ना है ज्यादा, लेकिन एक दिन होगी भाई का ये वादा. लगता है किसी को दिल में देता हूँ जगह, तो देते वो दगा हिसाब का. जो भी करूँ करूँ पूरे मन से, नीयत साफ होती ना है धन से. अभी कहाँ वो जो मेरे संग थे, नए यार मेरे नहीं बनते. पता नहीं तू है कौन मुझे तो पता नहीं. 3 साल पहले तू खफा थी, now you got some love for me. Calling me बोलने को सॉरी, पर हम में रही ना दोस्ती. Calling me बोलने को सॉरी, but you don't even know me. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. I don't really care what they think about me, क्योंकि ये तो मेरे fan if they think about me. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये ना मेरे दोस्त, फर्क नहीं पड़ता होना है दोस्त.
Damn.
जो कुछ फर्क पड़ा.
Yes.
मुझे तो पड़ा. I like the
Yes.
song.
I really
Yeah.
liked it. It didn't, it wasn't a bars fest or anything, but it just was a vibe.
Yeah. Yeah. Like and the whole feel, like I can listen to it again and again. Like
Mm,
usually his songs, they go so fast and they're dropping such heavy bars
mm,
that not always I can listen to all songs of his. You know, I
mm.
enjoy listening to them when I'm listening to them. But ये वाला वैसा नहीं है. ये वाला गाना मैं मतलब सुन सकती हूँ. मैं काफी
Oh
बार सुन
yeah,
सकती हूँ.
totally. Yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
yeah,
when the
yeah.
mood is right and the moment is required and when you wanna, when actually self talk zones में आप जाते हो, तब ये गाना बहुत ही perfect है उन moments के लिए. Visually, the video kept reminding me of, which was that song he had done for some brand, जूतों के लिए क्या था या किसी चीज के लिए
Hoff,
कुछ.
Hoff hai.
हाँ,
Real
so
me.
उसके अंदर जो वो, हाँ, तो उसके अंदर रियल मी करेक्ट, तो उसके अंदर वो जो कोने में यू नो गाड़ी खड़ी करके उसके ऊपर खड़े होके वो जो एक विजुअल था ना, द विजुअल्स ऑफ दिस केप्ट रिमाइंडिंग मी ऑफ दैट. एंड देन आई
Mm,
वाज लाइक कहीं सेम टाइम तो नहीं किया था. देन आई वाज लाइक नहीं, टाइमिंग तो मैच नहीं हो रहा, सो मे बी इट वाजंट सेम टाइम.
mm.
बट द विजुअल्स लाइक काइंड ऑफ रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ दैट. विजुअल्स में आई वाज फाइन विद इट, लाइक मेरे को कुछ ऐसा ज्यादा, इट वाज जस्ट, यू नो, इट वाज प्लेजेंट बिकॉज यू कैन सी कृष्णा's face and you can see everything that's going on. But I think the song was much more than the video in this particular, you know, in this particular track. So
Mm,
I kind of like that. And I like the
mm.
funny bits where he was like, you know, when he's standing next to the girl and he's like, मुझे फर्क कौन है तू, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
That made
That
me
was really
laugh.
funny also, the way it was done. Yeah.
That poor
You
girl,
tell,
yeah.
how is it?
Just
I know.
in the frame and he's like, I don't know you. So he's so mean, yeah. But, so,
Benji, आप कौन?
he's like, why did you call me for the shoot? So okay, no, but I actually was thinking while it was on that this is one of my favorite videos of his. Just visually, it was shot so well, and every frame was so nice, especially because through the entire. I mean, throughout the video, but more so in the starting, there's a lot of focus on his face and just
Yes.
different shots of
Yeah.
his face in different locations and almost different sort of moods that he's portraying with his expressions. So and
Right.
and also the lighting in the video, the whole like vibe, the night vibe of the city. It was just, I really liked it. You know, they had the
Oh,
orange
nice.
orange neons, then they had the green
Yeah.
and the blues. It was just, the sets were really well lit. So I was thinking in my head, it's one of the better videos I've seen of his. Just really liked it. So I was seeing directed by Nizar Shad, DOP Sachin Parmar. Okay, very nice. The whole team. I like this video a lot. The song itself was a vibe. You can listen to the song even when you're not in one of those self-talk moods. I was thinking when you were talking about that I can listen to it just like that also. It's just a
Yeah.
good vibe. I can drive to it. I can work out to it. I can just play it in my room when I'm like doing stuff. It's just a song that you can go to anytime.
Right.
And yeah, I just you know, from the lyrics and from what he's saying in the song, and I've got this feeling even in other songs, because there's a lot of that he says in his music now and then. I would go so far as saying very often that he's, you know, he's been let down by people. He's had to deal with a lot of rejection in terms of people saying you're never going to make it, or this is, you know, you're wasting your time. So all those kind of thoughts and what people have said to him keeps coming out in his songs now and then. And from this song in particular, I had the thought while listening to one of the lines when I think the line where he said came back after 3 years and then they keep calling me or something. I was like, I don't think Krishna really forgives and forgets. Like he may forgive, but he doesn't forget. Or maybe he forgets, but he doesn't forgive. Like, I don't know, but he seems like one of those guys who doesn't forgive and
Star
forgets.
sign में जाके ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
Star
क्या
sign
चल
क्या
रहा
है?
है? नहीं पता ना, वही तो
Tell
कह रही
me
हूँ,
the
जाके
star
ढूंढना
sign, I'll tell you
पड़ेगा.
how. Oh, okay. Take. What is his star sign, guys? Tell us. I'm sure you know everything. You probably know his
Yes.
time of birth also. They'll send us the whole Kundli. I know Kundli ka screenshot bhej denge DMs.
Why, Joe? Why are you interested in Kundli?
I'm not interested in Kundli. I'm just saying these guys.
You know. Okay, fine. I won't say anything.
Are you on
anymore.
my side or what? So what is this?
Yours
behavior?
only.
What is
Yeah,
this
yeah.
behavior? Oh God, never mind. So coming back to this song. Yeah, that's what okay, 1 second. The lyrics are pinned here. I'll tell you which line made me feel that. Now you 3 साल पहले तू खफा थी, now you got some love for me, तू है कौन मुझे तो पता नहीं, that was the line. बोलने को sorry पर हम में रही ना दोस्ती. So it's like it's over from my side. Don't bother calling me. So I was like, damn.
Yeah.
Little.
Yeah. No, but you're right. You're right when you're saying that all of his songs, in fact, any songs that have anything to do with, you know, little love angles or little talking about back history types, he always says, okay, once, like, out of mind ho jayega, out of sight ho jayega, lekin grudge rahegi. Like, you know, now I'm not going to allow that person back. Dosti nahi ho sakti once, like, you know, aise dur dur chale gaye type. So he has that vibe constantly. Like, he doesn't forgive, like you were saying. That little forgetting might happen, but forgiveness, nah, chance in your boss.
Very scary.
No?
But yeah, I mean, okay, good. But okay, overall message of the song, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग. I mean, I don't know about that because थोड़ा बहुत तो पड़ता है सबको. मुझे ही पड़ता है, इतना hate तो मिलता है channel में. It's like especially, never mind, let's not go there. But you know,
Be
some
nice.
some days it does affect you and it is like, why? So, but okay, fine. He's put his thoughts out
Then,
there.
Joe, this
He's
song is
saying-
for you. Then the song is completely for you. You need to listen to it. Every time thoda bhi farak pade, just listen to the song and be like, farak nahi padta. That's it. Just go in the zone with it.
क्या बोले लोग. See, फर्क नहीं पड़ता is true. You're gonna still continue doing your thing and being you. So in that sense, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Yes,
Right,
I completely get what he's saying. लेकिन फर्क नहीं पड़ता in the sense like sometimes you're just like, what is the deal, yo? Why all this unnecessary hate and why all this like negative vibes? Just everybody live your life and be happy. So I'm thinking in those lines, I feel like it does affect people, but
Correct. Yeah.
when it's someone strong-willed and strong-minded who knows who they are and knows what they stand for, then it's not going to make a difference to how they treat their life or the work they continue doing. That's
Right.
that's probably what
Yeah.
he's saying through this song.
Yeah.
So
Right.
very nice, very nice. It's definitely
Super.
going on all my playlists, guys. Is one more down on the Krishna request list, so have patience, we'll get to the rest as well. And yeah,
Three
on
important
that
things. Three important things. Like, share, subscribe.
I know, yeah. These
उसके बाद
guys
क्या
don't
कर
do
सकते हैं?
anything to support. Come on, if you like this channel, then do that. No, it doesn't cost you anything. Wink, wink. I don't know how to wink, by the way. This is terrible. I try to wink and both my eyes go like.
Done. In the coming few videos, we're going to make her. I'm going to teach her how to wink. Like, you know, every time
Very
we start a
random.
video for the next few days, randomly I'm going to pick one song that every day we are doing, and I'm going to be like, I'll just wink at you, and you have to wink back. Done. Spot it when we next do it. Okay. Yeah.
I feel so this thing because in movies when you see the actors like very smoothly with all this charm, they just wink and then you're like, and I keep trying and I keep like failing at it. So anyway, guys, I'll insert a wink emoji somewhere on the screen here. Show your support and take care of yourselves. Check out Ms. Bohla's website. It's linked below. And we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.
What happened? Did you wink?
I winked.
Bloody hell.